Hello everyone, I'm Celilcan. I'm studying at İzmir University of Economics and my department is Mechatronics Engineering. I will present my turn project. It is turn signal bike jacket. While I was doing this project, I used a LilyPad power supply and LilyPad Arduino, here you can see, and LilyPad LEDs, two switches and conductive thread, you can see like here. And first step, you have to switch on this power supply, but I didn't attach to my jacket. And then you can press the right switch and I will get feedback from the indicator LEDs. You will see the turn signal starts to blink, but you cannot see now because I didn't finish my project yet. And you can do it the same thing on the left side, and you can do it to both sides in night flashing night time. And you can see here what's controlling everything is the LilyPad Arduino, and here is. And then you can see my code here. I've done my code. So that's all. Thanks for your watching.